Hey everyone! Today I am bringing you the newest Luxio gel polish collection from Akzentz. This is the Fall/Winter 2018 collection called City Slick. And I have purchased the mini collection. The cool thing about the Luxio polishes is when they come out with a new collection, you can buy the minis in the whole set of 6. Which I believe are 5 mils. The regular size gel polishes are 15 mils, but you can buy all 6 for $59.95, or the regular sizes are $16.95 each. So I like to buy the kit of the minis, and then I can try all of the colors. And then if some of the colors become super popular, I can always restock in the larger sizes. So here you can see an example of the small size compared to the regular size. I purchased my Akzentz Luxio gel polishes at lovenails.com. She's the Oregon and Washington distributor for Akzentz. Also, you can go to akzentz.com for the list of the distributors for your area. And I will put those links down below in the description. So the collection comes with 6 colors, and I'm super excited to try them out for the fall and winter time. Luxio is my favorite gel polish, hands down. The coverage is really nice. So first we have Prim. And Prim is a really beautiful nude. It's a little bit less pink than the nude from the spring summer collection, which was Bossy. So it's a little bit more neutral. It's really gorgeous, you guys. And I'll show you guys why the Luxio is one of my favorite gel polishes, because look how beautiful it applies with only 1 coat. I always do 2 coats on my clients just to make sure, but look how gorgeous that is in just 1 coat, and it completely covers my bright pink nail. So here's little comparisons for you. So we have the Luxio Sophisto, which is a lot darker of a nude and more brown. This middle one is Luxio Forever, which is more neutral. And then we have Luxio Blush, which is a little bit sheer in tone, but you kind of get a good comparison here. And here's the nude in the last collection, Luxio Bossy, which I love Bossy. It has been one of my most popular colors since I've gotten it, and I think Prim is going to be really popular too. The next color is Vigilant, and Vigilant is a really pretty purple. It definitely has kind of like a dusty tone to it, if that makes any sense. I don't know how to describe those colors. Kind of like a muted, dusty purple, I would call it. And again, you can see how beautiful that applies. Here's some comparisons for you. This is Celebrate. This is their latest purple before this collection, which is Icon, which is definitely a lot brighter. And then we have Intrigue, which is a little bit darker, but I don't really have a purple in my collection that directly relates to this one. The next color is called Relentless, and I will admit this is a color that I was not sure about when I first saw it. It's definitely not a color I would pick or gravitate towards, and when I first saw it, I was like, oh, this is terrible. But once I heard this color described as like a maple color, then it's like starting to grow on me, and I've seen pictures of people using it, and it's really starting to grow on me, I will admit. So I might be using this color. I definitely think it would look pretty with like a rose gold or like a copper glitter or something, and maybe some leaves or different things like that. Let me know in the comments what you think of this color. I'm curious to see how many of my clients will pick this, because it was definitely not something that I thought I would pick ever, but we will have to see what happens. And here in my comparisons, you can see that I really don't have anything that directly compares to this color. Even in the oranges, there's not a lot of colors that really compare to this. So it's definitely a unique color, and I'm kind of excited to see what happens and see other people's pictures of how they used it. The next color is called Composed, which I was really excited about this color because I have a couple grays in my collection. I have a light gray and a dark gray, but I really needed something that was in between, and this is absolutely perfect. So it's going to be like your perfect medium gray. It's definitely more cool tone, like almost of a blue gray, but it's definitely not blue. It's so pretty and beautiful, and I know I'm going to get a lot of use out of this one. And in my comparisons here, you can see what it looks like against Wisp, which it's a lot more blue toned than Wisp and a little bit darker. And then my dark gray is Sterling, which is a lot darker. So you can see how it's like the perfect middle gray. Next is Aficionado. And this one is a really dark brown, almost a brown black. And it's definitely a cool toned brown. I feel like my camera is like almost making it look black, but it is not black. It's a super dark brown. This is what it looks like next to Cocoa. As you can see, Cocoa is a lot warmer in tone and a little bit lighter, but it does compare a lot to, this is, I believe it's called Rich Espresso. I'm going to have to double check on that one, but it looks a little bit darker than the Aficionado, but it does compare quite a bit. They're both definitely more on the cool tone of the brown family. The last one is Prerogative, and this is a really bright orange toned red. Here's what it looks like next to Vintage, which Vintage is more of your cherry red. All right, so here's the whole collection together. What do you guys think of this collection? I know I'm going to get a lot of use out of the gray, which is Composed, and the nude, which is Prim. Still curious to see how Relentless is going to look and if my clients are going to pick it. I wanted to show you guys a little pairing here, which is the Luxio Rose Gold. This is what I kind of think would look really nicely with this color. Yes, so I'm really excited about this collection. I think it's a great fall-winter collection. What do you think of this collection? Do you think it's something that you would order? Give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks.